work and interact. However, with great power comes great responsibility. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biases in data can lead to discriminatory outcomes. This means that if the data used to train these systems is flawed or biased, the AI will perpetuate and even amplify these biases. For instance, an AI system trained on data from a predominantly affluent neighborhood might not accurately predict traffic patterns in a lower income area. This could result in unequal distribution of resources and services, further widening the gap between different socioeconomic groups. To ensure that AI cities are inclusive and equitable, we must prioritize ethical AI development. This involves not only technical solutions but also policy frameworks that guide the ethical use of AI. This includes ensuring data diversity, promoting transparency in AI algorithms, and establishing mechanisms for accountability. Diverse data collection helps in creating AI systems that are fair and representative of all community members. Citizens must have a voice in how AI is implemented in their communities, and their concerns about privacy and data security must be addressed. Engaging the community in discussions about AI can lead to more trust and better outcomes. Addressing these concerns is not just a technical challenge, but a moral imperative. Ensuring that AI systems are secure and that data privacy is maintained will help in building a future where technology serves everyone equally. Section 5. Towards a future of intelligent and sustainable urban living. The journey towards AI-powered cities is an ongoing one, filled with both challenges and opportunities. As we navigate this path, we must consider the ethical implications and ensure that technology serves the greater good. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in urban environments, from autonomous drones monitoring city infrastructure to AI systems managing energy consumption. The possibilities are endless. Generative AI, with its ability to create new content and designs, holds immense potential for urban planning and design. It can simulate various scenarios, helping planners make informed decisions that balance aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. Imagine AI generating optimized layouts for urban spaces, maximizing green areas while ensuring efficient transportation networks. This could lead to cities that are not only more beautiful but also more livable and environmentally friendly. Envision AI-powered systems that personalize citizen services based on their individual needs and preferences. These systems could streamline everything from healthcare to public transportation, making daily life more convenient and efficient. The future of AI cities is bright, promising a future where technology works hand in hand with human ingenuity to create urban environments that are not only intelligent but also sustainable, inclusive, and truly citizen-centric. By leveraging AI, we can build cities that adapt to the needs of their residents, fostering a sense of community and well-being.